Hi everyone, I do hope you're well. I'm going to make some flower earrings today. Very simple. These are resin pendants, 2 pairs of pliers, some earring backs, earring cards, and I've got some stainless steel earring wires and some 6mm jump rings. So we'll make the white ones and the blue. And then these. Now these are little screws in the tops of the pendants. Can be turned, you can have it this way or that way. And then you tighten with your pliers. I want them this way, so the earring wire with a jump ring will sit nicely like that. And the same for these. I just need to turn them, they're quite stiff, so just use my pliers. There we go. And the other one, you take a 6mm jump ring and open. I'm actually filming. Normally I have to do a YouTube video and then create a TikTok video, so I'm actually using 2 cameras at the moment, so we'll see how it goes. So we've opened the jump ring with the pliers. I do have a video which I'll link all about jump rings on my YouTube channel, so if you are on TikTok, just come over to my YouTube. I've got lots more tutorials over there. So we've attached the pendant onto the jump ring. The flower pendant is facing this way. So we want the earring wire to also, this bit goes at the front, to face this way. And then we close. I hope you're having a lovely day. We've just come back from the beach. And I was itching to get back to make some jewellery. Again, open the jump ring, attach the pendant. Need it to face this way. To attach the earring wire. I do have a website, although for handmade jewellery, craft and jewellery supplies, although these are not listed on there at the moment. I haven't got around to it. But it's just to show you what you can do. Right, I'm just going to put these on the earring card. And then we just do exactly the same. So I'm going to be quiet and just add some music. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I have lots of tutorials available, lots more planned. Ideal for the complete beginner. Thank you for watching. Take care and happy crafting.